Everyone, how you doing? Welcome back. This is Oscar. I really like Cardano, the utility, what they stand for. Even the founder is pretty cool on YouTube. If you share the same with me, I really encourage you to watch the end of the video because I'll tell you how many Cardano coins do you need to become a millionaire. It's a really high investment. It's very important because we don't want to give our money away. But selectively speaking, Cardano is one of the few that I really have trust and confidence. Number three already by market capitalization. And wow, it's heading very strongly. Take a look at this, guys. At the beginning of 2021, the price was 18 cents for one Cardano. That is huge. So if you would have invested just $1,000 of your own money back then, that would have given you 5,555 coins, right? No problem. Just holding that till July the 20th when the crypto was experiencing a really nice crash, well, that would have translated even to profits to 489% gain. That is really good, right? Now, still holding those 5,555 coins till today, September 13, when the price right now is 240 for one Cardano. That is, of course, a total investment on $13,000. So for 1K to 13K, what else do you want? So that is exactly what we talk in the channel, everyone. Stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. Long-term growth, little by little. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much, guys. We know that the price of Cardano reached an all-time high of 3.10 back in September 1st, and an all-time low started in 2021. We were like 20 cents, right? So the market cap varies from 75 billion to sometimes 85 or even beyond. When the price was at 3.10, of course, the price of Cardano, the market cap of Cardano was almost 100 billion. So that is really delicious and cool. Now, let me share my position with you. I have 1,688 coins on Coinbase, and that is a price of $3,800 total investment. So if I do 1,600 by the price of right now 2.4, that will give me a total of $3,800 invested, which means that my dollar cost average is around 2.4 per one Cardano, which I mean, it's not bad, not good, it's average, but of course, the higher it goes, the more money I make. Now, what I'm happy to say, of course, is for those who bought very early, let's say using our example from earlier, I mean, right now you're making tons of money. And if we go to the previous all-time high, I mean, you're really making a buck, almost 20,000 from 1,000 you invested at the beginning of the year. So kudos to you. You're doing really well. Cardano rocks. Now, when it comes to the price predictions, everyone, I have to tell you, it's super difficult to predict what the price will be at the end of the year or at the end of the decade, right? The only thing we can do is to estimate the best predictions for the support and resistance and see when we're right or wrong. But I gotta tell you guys, I'm super excited to see more countries, organizations, and companies accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as payments, store of value, and much more. And Cardano already is the number three by market capitalization, and we've seen that in less than a year, this cryptocurrency already rose more than 1,000%. So I think the future for cryptocurrencies and especially for Cardano is still yet to see. It's bright and we're early. That's what I always say. But please buy what you're able to afford losing. Now, what I'm gonna compare here is by the prices and market capitalization that we've seen already in other cryptocurrencies. For example, if Cardano had Ethereum's market cap right here of 376 billion, 188 will be worth almost $12, which that's an upside of 389%. Now you tell me, have we seen that upside before? Of course we've seen it this year, just starting 489 and 1200. So it's nothing that we haven't seen before. That's number one. So using our previous example of the people that were super smart and bought $1,000 of Cardano at the beginning of the year, take a look at this. From 2.4, let's go to $12, which that will be around the Ethereum's market cap. Now we're looking at a price of Cardano still having 5,000 coins of $66,000. So $1,000 you invested at the beginning of the year, now you have 65,000 in profit. I'm so jealous of you. But we're still far from having $1 million. So let's continue. Absolutely. If Cardano had Bitcoin's market cap of 836 billion, 188 will be worth $26. Wow, that is an upside of again close to $1,000. Have we seen $1,000? We've seen what that $1,000 before. So let's go ahead and do $26, and that will give us $144,000 from the $1,000 you invested at the beginning of the year. That is mind-blowing, and I know it's crazy, and it's gonna take a while. I believe Cardano will get to highs that we've never seen before, but I'm just using the market cap that is already existing in the market, nothing away from reality, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out here because I want to show you some of other coin forecasts that they've been done on the internet. So for example, on this one, they say that by 2030, they're looking at a price of Cardano at the end of $20. So looking at a $20 or $26 market comparison to the Bitcoin market cap, I mean, that doesn't seem that far from reality, right? So just giving you an idea, it's going to take some time. I'm not saying this will be by the end of this year or next year, but just think about it, guys. In 10 years or 20 years, how many more companies, countries will accept this type of cryptocurrencies? Also, keep in mind that they may add their own cryptocurrencies, adding more value to the existing ones because they already have tons of technology and blockchain capabilities. So the sky is the limit now. The idea, guys, and the number that I found to be more precisely come to reality for us is the following. From $26, let's go back to 2.4, the price that is right now. And my key number I want to share with you is 50,000 Cardanos, right? I had the idea of buying 5,000 or 10,000 Cardano for me, but if I buy 50,000 Cardano right now, that will give me a total of 120,000 investment, right? 50,000 Cardano this time at the price of 2.4 will be 120 investment. But let's say by the time you have this money or you reach some money like this, the price will be $3. So $3 per one Cardano, buying 50,000 Cardano, that will be 150K. Now, if we go back to our example from Ethereum, that will be $12 from $120,000 all the way to more than half of our goal, which is $1 million. So that's great. And now here comes the good news. Let's say that, we go back to the Bitcoin market capitalization example of $20, everyone, per one Cardano. And my friends, there it is. $1 million. We have officially become a millionaire in cryptocurrencies with Cardano by having 50,000 Cardano at $20 per one Cardano. That gives us $1 million. And there you have it. Congrats on being the first Cardano millionaire. Now, guys, are we going to experience more crashes, flash crashes, wall manipulation, dumps, pumps, and everything in between? Absolutely, everyone. But just showing you the potential of this cryptocurrency. I'm bullish on it, honestly, everyone. As we know, Charles Hoskinson, the founder, says tomorrow is the big day. We enter in a new era of Cardano. That's what he said with the Alonso update, that we are experiencing smart contracts. And he gives us the definition of what Cardano is for the world, for the environment, for governments, and so much more. Now you guys know the number. It's 50,000 Cardano at $20 each. Welcome to millionaire territory. And that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. Please go ahead and buy what you can afford losing. Do not copy what I'm saying just because you're watching it on a YouTube video. Always do your research. Always trust your intuition when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and keep learning every single day, because this is just barely starting. And I know cryptocurrencies as a whole is going to be a topic that is going to be very controversial. It's going to change a lot of different old practices, but we're here for the long term. And I see you at the top, investor. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. Peace.